All right, so I absolutely love this problem because if I had shown you this problem, 2 weeks ago when we tried to do a limits or something like that, this would have been just a nightmare problem to solve. But now that we have the chain rule under our belt, it's really a non-issue. I like writing that chain rule again down again. So ddx of uh, of f prime of g of x. So this is going to be my composite function is equal to f prime of, leave the inside alone, f prime of g of x times g prime of x. So I always think that's a really good idea just to write that down and make sure you have that down before you get started. So what I got to do is I got to determine the inside. Well, the inside is all of this. This is my inside function. My outside function really is just the inside. I'll just call it x to the eighth is what my outside function, where this becomes my x term. So the derivative of the outside, take whatever's on the inside, raised to the eighth power, so the 8 comes down in front. So it's 8 times, so this is the derivative of the outside, g of x left alone, cos x plus 2 sine x to the 7th power. So that's your power rule for, we know that x to the 8th, if I take the derivative of x to the 8th, it's equal to 8x to the 7th. Well, that's really what I did. This is 8, but my x is everything inside, raised to the 7th power. Then I want to multiply that by the derivative of the inside. So cos x becomes negative sine x, and 2 sine x becomes plus 2 cos x. And I wonder if there's anything else I can do. It doesn't look like there is. So I need to multiply by that. So it's what's out in front, 8 cos x plus 2 sine x raised to the 7th power times negative sine x plus 2 cos x. That is what my y prime is equal to.